Now we are going to explain Unit 8, which is about money math, okay? First, before we move to our next video, I'll ask you some critical thinking questions and I'll be waiting for your answers, my dear students, okay? Before starting this video, I'll ask you these questions. Question number 1. What might these money-related sayings mean? Number 1. Money doesn't grow on trees. Number 2. Look after the pennies and the pounds will look after themselves. Number 3. A fool and his money are easily parted. Number 5. Money makes the world go round. Number 6. A penny saved is a penny earned. Okay, which ones do you agree with from these money-related sayings? And question number 2, are there any similar sayings in your language? Okay, think freely and I'm waiting for your answers. Now we'll listen together or we'll watch together this video about money and money math.
Thick and fast, it's worth 5 cents, I know that. A dime, small and thin. Dime, it's always worth 10. Quarter, big and bold. It's worth 25, so I'm told. Money, I want some. Money, counting money is fun. Penny's worth 1, nickel's worth 5. A dime is worth 10 and a quarter's 25. Money, you know that it's true. Counting money is easy to do. Money, you know that it's true. Counting money is easy to do. You know that it's true. Counting money is easy to do.
Well, my students, now we'll move to our new words and they are money-related words. We'll read them together and know about their meanings. Number 1, breadline. It's a noun and its meaning is the lowest level of income on which it is possible to live. Number 2, credit crunch. It's also a noun and its meaning is bad economic situation in which it becomes extremely difficult to borrow money from the bank or other lenders. Backup. It can be a verb or a noun. It means providing extra help or support. In tandem with, it's an adverb and it means at the same time as or simultaneously. Drachma. It means the official currency of Greece before the euro. Inflation, it's a noun and it means a rise in prices of goods and services, which leads to a drop in the value of a currency. Downgrading, it's a noun which means making less valuable. Devaluation, it's a noun and it means reduction in the value of a currency when it is compared with another currency. Bartering, it's a noun, means exchanging goods and services for other goods and services instead of paying for them with money. Bond, it's a noun which means a document containing an agreement with a government or a company agreeing to pay your interests on money. Exchange rate, it's a noun, means the price at which currencies are bought or sold. Food voucher, it means a ticket or coupon which can be used to buy food instead of money. Haggling, it's a verb which means negotiating a price for goods or services. Legal tender, money which by law must be accepted when offered in payment. Plastic money, credit cards. Crisis, an unstable in political situation in a country. Catapulted, to have one's status increased rapidly. Plunged, to thrust into water suddenly or to immerse. Tem means local alternative currency that people can earn by offering services to others. Volos, Greeks who decided to use a device to overcome lack of money. Stallholder, the person in charge at the market or who rent markets. Purchase, the act or process to seek and obtaining something. Ovolus, alternative currency system, the ancient coins. Apt, clever and quick to learn or suitable. Transactions, business deals. Polity, an organization deals with the national network for the exchange of goods and services with money. Courgettes, light green vegetables like cucumbers. Recession, a period of reduced activity of trade. Circulation, the act of moving in a circle related to money. Counterfeit, forge or to copy closely to something. Fake. Denominations, standard of quantity or values. Forgeries, people who copy something to deceive others. Bustling, lively, busy or active. Advantageous, favorable. Financial, economic. Leading, foremost or effective. Mutual, common. Prosperous, affluent, having plenty of money. And that's all about our new words for Unit 8 of our curriculum Closer. Thank you for listening, my dear students.